Welcome back to our 7th YouTube video in our WordPress tutorial series. Today we are going to show you how to create a menu in WordPress, how to edit the menu, and how to create a sub-menu also. In our last video, we successfully created 5 different pages. However, when we went to our website and refreshed it, these pages were not visible. If you create a page, and if it's not showing on your website, then that page is useless, since no one can see or easily navigate to it. Let's see some websites to see the importance of menus. This is eBay.com. This is the menu, home, electronics, motors, fashion, sports, health and beauty. This is Citibank's website, credits cards, banking, lending, wealth management. These are the menus. So, menus are essential for helping visitors navigate your site easily, as they provide a structured and organized way for users to access information. Menus increase efficiency and save time for website visitors. Menus also help in search engine optimization, SEO, but we will discuss more on this in our later videos. Let's go to your dashboard, click on Appearance, and then click on Menus. Now, as you can see, it says Menu Name. You can name it anything you like. I personally like Primary Menu. Click on Save Menu so it's saved. If you look on the left side, you will see those pages which we created. We have Customer Review, Blog and News, Contact Us, About Us, and Home. Simply click on the pages that you want to add to your menu. We want all 5 of them, so we are going to click on all 5 and press the Add to Menu button. We can see that the 5 pages have been added to the menu. Let's click on Save Menu and visit your website. Don't forget to refresh the page. Congrats, your menus are showing on your website, and although we have no content in the pages, it's starting to look like a website. Now, it's going to be easy for our visitors to navigate our website. Let's go back to our dashboard. The good thing about WordPress is that it can be customized in any way you like. Suppose you want your homepage to be the first menu tab, and then About Us followed by Blog and News, and then Customer Reviews. Your last tab should be Contact Us. You can drag and drop the menu items. Simply rearrange them and click on Save Menu. Now go and refresh your website. Wow, now it's looking even better. Suppose you are having second thoughts about this Customer Reviews menu. You can go to your dashboard, click on the page icon and press Remove in Red. Click Save Menu and go to your website and refresh it. It's gone. Let's suppose you are having second thoughts about the Blog and News tab. You want to change its name. Go to your dashboard and just click on Page. Enter the new name here. Let's change it to Blog Post. Press Save Menu. Go to your website and refresh it. Now suppose you want to create a sub-menu. A sub-menu is a secondary menu that is typically placed within a primary or main menu. Let's suppose we decide to put the About Us and Contact Us both under the home menu. So just drag the About Us and Contact Us bars below the home menu. Just keep it positioned on the right side under the home menu. Once you release the mouse, it will show both the menus as sub-item. Save and go back to your website and refresh it. Let's undo the sub-menus as we don't need sub-menus. And we are back to our original menu. We have now learned how to make, edit, modify, and delete a menu. We also learned how to create a submenu. Let's quickly go through the other menu settings. As you can see, it says Auto Add Pages. If you check this box, WordPress will automatically add new pages created to the primary menu. So whenever you create a page, it will automatically be added to your primary menu. If you uncheck it, then you will have to manually add the menus like we just added them. We will leave it unchecked. Let us take a look at display location. We have some options here. If you check primary menu, then all the menus that you created will show on the top of your website. This is the top side of your website. Some themes have a secondary menu to the left or right side. This theme does not, so we will leave it as a menu on top is good enough. There are some menu items which should be shown, but not on the top or primary menu. An example would be privacy policy, shipping and returns, copyright and legal information, terms and conditions, etc. These are normally shown at the bottom of the web page, which is also known as the footer menu. We will cover the footer menu in the upcoming videos, but not today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We appreciate your feedback, so drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.